current of 0.005 ampere flows through moving coil galvanometer, it gives full scale deflection. So this current is giving full scale deflection called as Ig. We have to convert into voltmeter to read 5 volt by putting resistance of 975 ohms. What is resistance of galvanometer? Our formula is V upon Ig minus G. So 975 is V5 upon Ig, 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus G. 975 is 1000 minus G. Therefore, G is 1000 minus 975, which is 25 ohms. This answer 25 ohms.
Yes, sir.
After 18th, which sum?
So 20.
Yes, very good. 20 is good sum. 20 ना अपना ऑप्शन में रॉन्ग हो गया है, तो डी ऑप्शन कर लिख लो अपना बुक में, वो वही आंसर है अपना. tan थीटा आएगा म्यू नॉट आई अपॉन 2 पाई आर in bracket pi minus theta plus tan theta. This is straight wire PS and this is circular arc carrying current I. O, radius is R, this angle is 2 theta. What will be this remaining angle?
2 pi minus 2 theta.
2 pi
2 pi
minus
minus 2 theta. So for arc, what will be the field? 2 pi minus 2 theta upon 2 pi into mu naught I upon 2r. Okay, this is full circle, then this is that angle divided by 2 pi. Okay, this much clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now for straight wire, this is r. So what will be this distance? Can we take cos theta is
Yes.
adjacent side upon hypotenuse? So A will come r cos theta. This is difficult one, then it is easy. Then B, due to that straight wire, is mu naught I upon 4 pi A sine of theta plus sine of theta. Correct, na? Because when you divide, it will become theta theta. So mu naught I upon 4 pi r cos theta, and this is 2 sine theta. Please copy this much. Net field will be B1 plus B2, which is 2 pi minus 2 theta mu naught I upon 4 pi r plus mu naught I upon 4 pi r and 2 sine upon cos is 2 tan theta. Now we'll check option in which format they have given. Mu naught I upon 2 pi r, tan theta एक ही मिला, तो mu naught I upon 2 pi r I am taking common. This is 2 into 2, 2 pi r. So left out is inside 2 pi minus 2 theta upon 2 plus mu naught I upon 2 pi r we have taken common plus tan theta. So this 2 will get cancelled. Mu naught I upon 2 pi r pi minus theta plus tan theta. This is the answer. Option D. No doubt. Now I think now.
Yes, sir.
ठीक. If you complete, please let me know.
Done, sir.
After this 21 to 25.
So 23.
23, sir.
Okay. If resistance of upper half of a rigid loop is twice that of lower half. So if this is R, then this will be 2R. This is the meaning. Huh?
Yes.
Current I is entering from here and leaving from this side, getting divided into two parts. Suppose this is I2 and this is I1. फिर ये मिलके I इधर निकल जाता है. What is magnetic field at the center? देखो रेजिस्टेंस अगर सेम होता ना तो जीरो हो जाता था, बिकॉज करंट इक्वली डिवाइड होएगा. ऊपर वाला इज इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, क्लॉकवाइज, तो फील्ड विल बी इनवर्ड. ये आउटवर्ड मिलके कैंसिल. करेक्ट नो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm just finding what is I1, I2, and then my problem is done. Can I say I1 is nothing but R2 upon R1 plus R2 of total current, if you recollect current electricity?
Yes, sir.
So it is 2R upon R plus 2R into I. 2R upon 3R into I. That means it is 2/3 of I. So I2 directly बोल दो 1/3 of I होएगा. क्यों रामायण करूँ ना? If total is I, 1/3 I gone as I1,
Yes.
then this will be I2, 1/3 of I.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now net field will be modulus of B1 minus B2, because I don't know who is greater right now. Both are half circle. So field will be half of total, na? Which is mu naught I1 upon 2 times radius, that is A, minus half mu naught I2 upon 2 times radius A. Clear this also?
Yes.
So mu naught upon 4A I am bringing outside, inside I1 minus I2, followed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 by 3I minus 1/3 of I will be 1/3 I.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me what is answer? Is it C?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हो गया मस्त समझा है. Yes, done. 23rd.
Yes.
Now till 27.
26, sir.
25th.
26.
26, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Twenty-sixth. Ampere current. I'm calling this as I1. There is a loop here, 15 centimeter length. All are 15. This is 5. Current flowing is 5 ampere. Okay. The square loop 15 centimeter carries current of 5 ampere. I'm calling this as I2. नेट फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस्ड बाय लूप ड्यू टू वायर। देखो ये दोनों पे फोर्स इक्वल ऑपोजिट होएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा। नाउ फॉर दिस पार्ट इफ आई कॉल P Q R S, due to 10 ampere field will be inward, either be field will be inward due to that 10 ampere. So direction of force, current is upward, I2. Field is inward by left hand rule, current upward, force I am getting F1 towards left. Now for this, current is downward, so force will be ulta, F2. Direction of force followed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Direction of force followed, na? Now B on PQ will be mu naught current I1 upon 2 pi, distance I am taking R1, which is 5 centimeter. So this is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 current 10 upon 2 pi into 5 centimeter 10 raised to minus 2 meter into 2. 5 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 10 raised to minus 5. So force F1 will be current I2 into length L and field on BQ. So I2 is 5, length is 15 centimeters, so 10 raised to minus 2. This is 4 into 10 raised to minus 5. We got 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 15 will become 300 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this is 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 Newton is F1. First copy till F1. Done till F1. Hello, till F1 completed.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now for F2, we have to find field acting on, क्या नाम दिया था उसको मैंने, PQRS. This is mu naught, current I1, 2 pi, distance will be 5 plus 15 centimeter. So 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Current is 10 ampere. 2 pi into 20 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 2 pi into 2, 2 into 10, 20. So it is 10 raised to minus 5. Then F2 is I2 into L into B. I2 is 5, L is 15 centimeter into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 5. So 0.75 into 10 raised to minus 5 Newton. So net force will be equals to F1 minus F2, 3 into 10 raised to minus 5, 0.75 into 10 raised to minus 5, 2.25, 10 raised to minus 5 Newton. Because F1 is greater, that means it is attractive. Towards the conductor, it is getting attracted. Option C. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes.
Now, after this 27 to 30, no doubt?
No, sir.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? 27 समझ गया? 29 समझ गया?
So 28. Sorry, 29.
And 27th you all got?
No, sir.
So nobody is asking. That means you are not preparing. 29 तो without my help you cannot do only. 27 भी concept नया है. So if you are knowing, then it is my luck that I have got very good set of points. So 27th you don't have any doubt, huh? What do you say? 27 no doubt?
Sir,
अरे से
27 is doubt.
27 is doubt नहीं, बाकी लोग तो नहीं बोल रहे 27 doubt नहीं. So either you know or you have not practiced. Have you practiced 27? Or if I give homework, आप खाली ऐसे ही बोल देते हो गया हो गया हो गया.
No, sir.
27th only once 27 doubt. Other students got the answer. Hello, other students got the answer.
No,
27.
No, sir.
So, but you are not asking directly. You said 28. Somebody said me.
sir. 29.
Now 29. Nija is telling slowly. And 27th you all got. Don't do like that. Again, I am telling, see, if I am so much free with you all, you have to be free with me. नहीं तो इतना मेहनत आपका और मेरा दोनों का जीरो हो जाएगा. When a galvanometer is shunted by 5 ohm resistance, deflection becomes 1/6. If deflection is 1/6, that is current becomes 6 times. This is the meaning. Deflection becomes 1/6, then current becomes 6 times. That means I1 is 6 times Ig1. This is the meaning. So when we shunt this galvanometer with 5 ohm, then current I1 becomes 6 times the original current flowing. So with this, at least I can get G. Then when further shunted by 1, deflection will reduce to how much? So if current becomes 10 times, deflection will be 110. Current becomes 30 times, deflection will be 130, and so on. But for that, I should know what is G with first condition. S1 upon S1 plus G is Ig1 upon I1. 5 upon 5 plus G is Ig1 upon 6 times Ig1. So 30 is 5 plus G. Therefore, G is 25 ohms. Now, this galvanometer, which is shunted with S1, is further shunted with 1 ohm. So, I am writing this is G in parallel with S1. Suppose final current becomes I2. Earlier current was I1. Total was I1 with this G and S1. तो ये मेरे लिए अभी GS1 का parallel further shunted. G in parallel with S1 will be 25 into 5 upon 25 plus 5. So 125 upon 30. 5 into 25, 5 into 6. So 25 upon 6 is first modification. This I am calling as G dash. So S2 upon S2 plus G dash is first current I1, which is 6 times Ig1 upon I2. S2 is 1 and G dash is 25 by 6. 6 times Ig1 upon I2. 1 upon 6 plus 25 by 6 is 6 Ig1 upon I2. So it will become 6 upon 31 is 6 times Ig1 upon I2. Therefore, I2 is 31 times Ig1. So deflection is 1 upon 31 times. C is the option. Not that easy sum. हेलो, अच्छा तो हुआ है बेटा। अच्छा थोड़ा करो। ठीक। अच्छा एक क्या बोल रहा है? हाँ ठीक है आराम से, देर होएगा चलेगा, रॉन्ग मत करना। और उसका आंसर शीट भी, उसका आंसर की भेज देना ग्रुप पे अपलोड करना। Rajvardhan, please send the paper so that it will get corrected. Only your paper is pending.
Yes, sir. I will send it after the lecture.
अच्छा अच्छा। Done. Can I clear 27th?
Done, sir.
Okay. 28th also you want now?
Yes, sir. A moving coil galvanometer has 80 tons. Area is 50 millimeter square. It is printed wrong in the booklet. 50 millimeter square. Resistance of coil is 20 ohm. Flux density means B, 0.2 Tesla. Torsional constant 5 into 10 raised to minus 9 Newton meter per radian. The angular deflection due to potential difference of 0.0 millivolt is 0.08. Without current, we cannot find this. So first I'm finding what is current sensitivity, whether it is 160 or not. So B part I'm checking first. Current sensitivity, I think you all know formula. It is S of current is NAB upon K. Yaad aaya? NAB Yes.
upon K.
Yes, sir.
N is 80, area 50 into 10 raised to minus 6. B is 0.2 and K is 5 into 10 raised to minus 9. 5 into 10. 8 into this is 800 into 0.2 into 10 raised to plus 3 division per ampere. So 160 into 10 raised to 3 upon 10 raised to 6 division per 10 raised to 3 in milliampere. 1 ampere is 10 raised to 3 milliampere. So 160 डिवीजन पर मिली एम्पियर, ये करेक्ट है ऑप्शन बी। अभी चेक कर लेते हैं वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी सी। ऑल सेंसिटिविटी इज डिवीजन अपॉन दैट क्वांटिटी। so voltage is theta upon V, this is theta upon I, ये sensitivity. So V equals to I into resistance. So when you take reciprocal, divide both side by theta. So I get theta upon V is theta upon IR. So voltage sensitivity is current sensitivity upon R. Current sensitivity we got 160 and R is given 20. 8 is also correct. Please copy B and C.
B correct, C correct means all a correct वाला option होना चाहिए ना, because B and C both correct, not given, all given. So by default, all is correct. But I'm explaining how A is also correct. Done, B and C?
Yes.
Okay. A wala, let us see. We got voltage sensitivity as 8 division. So since 8 division means 1 millivolt. So they're telling deflection, when angular deflection produced due to potential difference of 0.01 millivolt is 0.08. तो ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट विल बी 0.01 into 1 upon 1, 0.08. correct. So option is D. All are correct. Yes, done na?
Yes, sir.
Now look at 29th. A rectangular loop of conductor having length A and breadth B. Length A, breadth B. Carrying current I. The magnetic field at center O. At center O. Can you tell me what will be this distance? Will it be root of A square plus B square ka half?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Pythagoras theorem, na? A square, B square, A.
Yes.
Half will be half of this much.
Yes, sir.
So these two are same, half half. And this distance is B by 2. Ye wala?
Yes, sir.
So if I call this angle as suppose alpha, this will be also alpha. First conductor and third conductor will have same field. B1 is same as B3 or not?
Yes.
Yes.
5. And B2 will be same as before,
Yes.
and all will give current in inward direction, clockwise na inward. So net will be addition of all. That means it
Yes.
is B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 na. So it will be 2 times B1 plus 2 times B4. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब इसका वाला एंगल को मैं बीटा बीटा नाम देता हूं. And this length will be A by 2. So 2 times formula of B for long infinite conductor is mu naught I upon 4 pi. This distance is B by 2 into sine alpha plus sine alpha. And second wala will be 2 times mu naught I upon 4 pi A by 2 sine of beta plus sine beta. 2 will go up. So it will become 4 times mu naught I upon 4 pi B 2 sine alpha plus 4 times mu naught I upon 4 pi A into 2 sine beta. 4, 4, 4, 4 cancel. So mu naught I upon pi B into 2. Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
ये आ जाएगा साइन अल्फा अपॉन बी साइन बीटा अपॉन ए. प्लीज कॉपी टिल दिस. Yes, completed na till this.
Yes, sir. Done.
I'm simplifying further. Mu naught I 2 times mu naught I upon pi. This is A sine alpha plus B sine beta upon A B. So mu naught 2 times mu naught I upon pi A B A sine alpha. What is sine alpha? Can you tell from the figure? Opposite side, which is A by 2 upon hypotenuse, half of root of A square plus B square.
Yes, sir.
And sine beta will be sine beta B by 2 into 1 upon same half of root of A square plus B square.
Yes, sir.
Correct? 2 cancel. This 2 cancel. So it will become 2 times mu naught I upon pi a b a square upon root of a square plus b square upon root of a square plus b square.
Yes, copy this 3 more lines. Now 2 more line for final result.
Correct option D. See what I did last line. Suppose this a square plus b square is c. This is root c. So root c into root c will become c, na?
Yes.
So that
Yes,
is
sir.
what I did. Yes. D option. See, I will reduce the sum for the exam. 1 to 150 I will make it. Not till 175. You will not be able to manage. And theory. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now 30, 31, 32. No doubt. Yes, 30, 31, 32. No doubt. Na?
No, sir.
Okay. 33, 34, 35.
34, sir.
34, 34 तो easy है एकदम. मतलब solution देखने से समझ जाना चाहिए. 34. This is R1 and this one is R2. Straight wire. This is O is lying on the straight wire, so field will be 0. It will be only due to curve. So net field will be difference of V1, V2 because one is carrying current in clockwise, other is in anti-clockwise. This is mu naught I upon 2 R1 uska half, mu naught I upon 2 R2 uska half. So it will become हेलो, हाँ हाँ, उठाते नहीं ना आप फोन तो क्या करोगे? तो मैं इसके पहले तो किया था फोन, बेल बज बज के बंद हो गया। हाँ मिला। हाँ अभी देखो, आपको मैंने भेजा एक प्लानर। हाँ उसमें 1 से 175 लिखा है ना, वो 1 से लेके 150 कर देना। हाँ उतने का पेपर बनाना है 45, और थियरी का मैं आपको लिख के दूंगा बाद में। ये संडे का है, 12th मॉर्निंग का डेट डाल देना। 12th मॉर्निंग का है, डेट है 11, ठीक है। मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट एंड मैग्नेटिज्म, नेट का लेना। और फिर ये होने के बाद अपने को 12th इवनिंग का पेपर थोड़ा करना। चार, हाँ हाँ। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
so now it is mu naught I upon 4 common 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2 है क्या? 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2। हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
So option D.
why not A? Because radius छोटा, current is same, तो definitely field is greater ना। डिनोमिनेटर छोटा मतलब आंसर मोटा, इसलिए बी ऑप्शन। अगर करंट अलग रहता तो मॉडुलस आता था। आफ्टर दिस 35 to 38, any doubt? Yes, 35 to 38.
No.
37 you got? It is difficult. 37. 37 you all followed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, by solution.
Huh? You understood by solution? Okay. Then till 45. No problem till 45.
44.
44. Okay. A cell is connected between point A and C of a circular conductor ABCDA, center O, angle AOC is 60. If B1, B2 are the magnitude of magnetic field at O due to current in ABC and ADC, what is ratio of B1 and B2? Okay. Current is I1 flowing upwards and I2 flowing downwards. Here there is battery connected. Current starts from I, gets divided into two parts, I1, I2. Find the field B1 and B2 ratio. Always it will come 1:1 whenever a battery is supplying the current into unequal branches. Always field will be such that ratio will be 1. Let me explain why. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is full circular coil, okay? Suppose resistance of full coil is R. Then what will be resistance of ABC and resistance of ADC? Can you predict? Full is R. Then what is ABC and what is ADC? 60 degree मतलब 360 का कितना? 1/6?
1/6.
So 1/6 R will be that lower one and 5/6 R will be the upper one. I think now followed.
Yes.
So you got
Yes.
R1, you got R2. What is I1 formula? It is R2 upon R1 plus R2 of total current I.
Yes, sir.
R2 is 1/6 R and R1 plus R2 is R.
Yes.
So can I say I/6? And I2 will be 5/6. Not followed.
Followed.
What is formula for magnetic field? Mu naught I1 upon 2 times radius. Radius I am taking small r because resistance we have taken capital R. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ये फुल के लिए है ना, फुल के लिए बराबर, ये पूरे के लिए होगा ना फॉर्मूला, पूरा
Yes,
कॉइल
sir.
रहेगा। तो ये तो कॉइल अपना 5/6 टाइम्स है, तो 5/6 आ गया। नहीं समझा?
Understood.
And B2 will be 1/6 of coil mu naught I2 upon 2R. So B1 upon B2 will be 5/6 divided by 1/6 I1 upon I2. So 6 cancel. That is 5/1. I1 is I/6 and I2 is 5/6. तो इसका भी वही हिस्ट्री, I/6 cancel. So it becomes 5/5, 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can keep in mind whenever a battery is connected in parallel for full circle, always you will get V1 upon V2 1. Just write down. Yes, completed.
Done, sir.
Now till 50, any doubt?
Sir, 49.
Are so many sums we did. List particles are entering in the field. What, Neja? So many sums we did for particle moving in the first sheet. Neja,
Yes, sir.
how many sums we did? Charge enters in the field. So many times we did. Now this QVB is mv square. How you forget? mv square by r. कितना किया इसमें?
Only that is there.
हाँ, charge enters means this only concept na. And mv means momentum. They are telling alpha particle and proton have same momentum. So charge of alpha upon charge of proton, radius of alpha, radius of proton, momentum same, cancel 1. So R alpha upon R proton, charge of proton upon
Yes, sir,
charge
yes, sir.
alpha. This is twice the charge of proton. Sorry, alpha is twice the charge of proton. So 1:2, option A. Now till 50, any doubt? Hello, till 50, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, no. So today we stop here because 4 students ka book I have to check. Tomorrow 10 to 11 you have doubt solving session in the evening. Tomorrow.
Yes.
That's all for today. Tomorrow doubt solving.